Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make default browser as a Chrome in laptop. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome. So here I open my Google Chrome. Then go to the right hand side and click on the three dot and click on here the settings option. The second last option here, settings. Just click on it and you can see the settings tabs is open. You can see the left hand side, the all option of settings. The default browser, just click on the default browser option and here make Google Chrome the default browser. Just click on the make default and that's it. Here you can see Windows settings is open. Okay. You can this the second option default apps. Here the all apps here showing. Just drag below and here the web browser default Microsoft Edge. Now I'm going to make the default browser in Google Chrome in laptop. Just click on it and here I select the Google Chrome and that's it. Your default browser change in laptop Google Chrome. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.